Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Wasim Khan, assistant teacher in Al Mahmood International School, Akola, and we are studying maths of second standard. In this video, we will see word problem. So, students, let's come on page number 106. Word problem, and see picture and listen. Rishi has 256 part caps and Preeti has 138 party caps. Who has more and how many more party caps? The first number is 256 and second number is 138. So what we have to do? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction. In subtraction, when we subtract the numbers, the first number will be 256 and already it is written for you. Okay, 256 is the median. 256 is the median and 138 is the subtrahend. Okay, so now subtract 138 from 256 and see in ones place column 6 and 8 is at ones place. Now we can subtract. Can we subtract 8 from 6? No, because 8 is greater than 6 number and 6 is smaller than 8. So it is not possible to subtract 8 from 6. So we can take one borrow from 10 place number and see 5 is at 10's place. Okay, when we take one borrow, this 6 converts into 16 and this 5 converts into 4. Okay, after converting we can subtract 8 from 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. And step 2 is 10's place column. The number is 4 after borrow. Okay, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 100 place 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Answer is 118. And 118 is the difference between 256 and 138. Okay, when we subtract 138 from 256, we will get 118. Thus, Rishi has 118 more party caps than Riti. Thus, Rishi has 118 more party caps than Preeti. Okay, I hope you are understanding, students. Let's come on practice coach. Question number 1. Solve the word problems. And question number 1 is: in a sports meet, 659 students participated and 245 of them were boys. Total 659 students participated and 245 of them were boys. Find the number of girls who participated in the meet. Okay, we will take out 245 boys from 659 and remaining all students will be girls. Okay, so first what we have to do? First of all, we will write the first number 659. Okay, 659. Next write 245. Okay, total number of boys 245. Okay, now subtract 245 from 659 and remaining numbers will be girls. Okay, now subtract 5 from 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and see 100 place 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Write the correct numbers in correct columns. Okay, 659 minus 245 is equal to 414. So find the number of girls who participated in the meet. 414 number of girls who participated in the meet. Okay, 414 number of girls who participated in the meet. Okay, next question is question number 2. Reena's height is 139 centimeter and Mohit is 46 centimeter shorter than Reena. Okay, Mohit is 46 centimeter shorter than Reena. So find the height of Mohit. Find the height of Mohit. First, we will write 139. Write 139, and second number is 46. The height of Mohit is 46, shorter than Rina. Shorter than Rina. And Rina's height is 139 centimeter. So we can subtract 46 from 139. Okay. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And see in 10 place 3 and 4. Can we subtract 3 from 4? No. So we can take 1 borrow from 100 place, and these 3 converts into 13 and 1 converts into 0. Oh, okay. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Answer is 93. Answer is 93. So find the height of Mohit. The height of Mohit is 93. Okay. The height of Mohit is 93 centimeter. Because Reena is bigger than 46 centimeter than Mohit. Okay. So the height of Mohit is 93 centimeter. Okay, students. Got it? Okay, students. Turn the page and let's come on page number 107. Okay. Question number 3 is, a school was open for 298 days in a year. A school was open for 298 days in a year. Find the total number of holidays in a year. Hint is 1 year is equal to 365 days. Correct? Total number of days in a year 365. And school was open for 298 days in a year. So first of all we will write number of days in a year 365. And school was open for 298 days. So write 298 days just below 365. And what we have to do? We have to subtract 298 from 365. Now make the symbol of subtraction and subtract it from 5. Can we subtract? No, because 8 is bigger than 5 number and 5 is less than 8. Okay. Now we have to take 1 borrow from 100 place, 10 place. This 5 converts into 15 and this 6 convert into 5. Okay. Now subtract 8 from 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. And 10 place number 5. Again we have to take 1 borrow from 100 place because 9 is bigger than 5 number. So we take 1 borrow from 3 number. So this 5 convert into 15. Okay. And this 3 convert into 2. Okay. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. And 2 minus 2. 100 place is the numbers 2 and 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So no need to write 0. Answer is 67. So find the number of holidays in a year. So total number of holidays 67 in a year. Okay. Total there are 67 holidays in a year. Total there are 67 holidays in a year. Okay. James wanted to decorate his home with balloons on Christmas event. He went on a shop and purchased 350 balloons. After coming home, he counted the number of balloons and found them to be 415. Here he realized that the shopkeeper had given him extra balloons by mistake. So James immediately went back to the shop and returned the extra balloons. So how many balloons did he return? So he want to purchase 350 balloons. Okay. And he counted number of balloons and found them to be 415. He realized the shopkeeper had given him extra balloons by mistakes. He want purchase only 315 and he had given 415. So write 415 number and he want to purchase only 350. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 350 from 415. Okay, now make the symbol of subtraction and subtract ones place number. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay, and now 10 place number 6 and 5. 1 is less than 5 number, so we can't subtract 5 from 1. So we have to take one borrow from 100 place, and in 100 place 4 is at 100 place. Now we take one borrow from 4, this 1 convert into 11 and this 4 convert into 3. Okay, now subtract 5 from 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Write 6 in 10 place number, 10 place column, and this 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So no need to write 0 before 65. Answer is 65. Okay, so how many balloons did he return? He returned 65 balloons. He returned 65 balloons to the shopkeeper. Okay, placement of numbers. Next topic is placement of numbers. Numbers must always be placed in the correct columns and then added or subtracted. Okay, it is important. Number must always be placed in correct columns and then added or subtracted. We should always fill in the columns starting from the ones columns. Okay, first of all we have to write the numbers in correct columns, then we can add then we can add and subtract the numbers, and we have to start from ones place column. Okay, so and see how to place 306 plus 3. There are how to place 306 plus 3. Okay, 306 is a 3-digit number and 3 is a single digit number. So first of all we have to write 306 number, and already written 306. Okay, and below you can see the symbol of is given by in the box is correct. Okay, this method is correct. The number is written 306, and here we have to write 3 number because 3 is a single digit number. So we have to write in ones place column, not 100 place number, because 3 is a single digit number. Okay, and single digit number comes in ones place. And we can write 3 in ones place column. Okay, so this method is correct. Okay, this method is not correct. Okay, next, how to place 354 plus 32. Right, first of all write 354 number because 354 is a 3-digit number, and we have to add 32 number, and 32 is a 2-digit number. 32 is a 2-digit number. So can we write 3 in 100 place? No, because 32 is a 2-digit number and this 3 comes in 10 place of 32. Okay, so we can write 3 in 10 place and 2 of 32 comes in ones place. So this method is correct. See how we can write. Okay, 354 plus 32. And students, I hope you are understanding how to write the numbers in correct columns and how to add the numbers. Okay, so students, see how we can add. In first example, 306 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Correct? And 0 comes directly in 10 place. Okay, and because 3 there is no any number to add in 3 number, so this 3 is also comes in 100 place. So 306 plus 3 is equal to 309. 306 plus 3 is equal to 309. Okay, so this is a correct method to write and to add the numbers. Okay. Next, 354 plus 32. So C is the correct method. So we can add the number from ones place. Start from ones place. 4 and 2 is at ones place. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 in ones place column. And see 10 place 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Write it in 10 place. Okay. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 3 comes directly in 100 place. Okay. When we add 32 in 354, we will get 386. 354 plus 32 is equal to 386. It is a correct method. Okay. First, we have written the numbers in correct columns. Then we have started from ones place number. Okay. So I hope you are understanding, students, how to write the in correct columns and then how to add the number. Okay. So students, in next video we will see page number 108. Okay. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.